Okay, so here is the Valentine's kit. I'll show you the papers first and then the embellishments. First off, from Simple Stories Love and Adore, I have this XO paper with a blue arrow on the back. Simple Stories Love and Adore again, some cut parts, both sides are cut parts on this, which are very pretty. Again, Simple Stories Love and Adore. These are the smaller cut parts, and again on the reverse there are cut parts as well. Again, Simple Stories, floral on this side, and these cute sketchy hearts on the back. Cartabella Devoted, this one is. Poor Cupid's Arrow, the stripe on this side, and these little cuties on the back. Finally, Lucky in Love by Thompson Craft, Echo Park, this one is, and this again has journaling cards on one side, but then a paper on the back. So that is the papers for the Valentine's one. You get a 12x12 sticker sheet by My Mind's Eye, Lucky in Love. Some thickers. These are Amy Tan Better Together collection. Some cute little chipboard scribble shapes with words in them. Some pretty flowers. Now, I have got my flowers a bit mixed up. I'm not sure which ones came in which kit, but you get a good idea of the sort of selection you'll get in each one. Obviously the colours probably, I think that one might be from the spring one. I've got them mixed up. But yeah, you get a selection of flowers that are by I Am Roses or Prima. Also some sequins, a little sequin mixer, and then a few bits of ephemera and tags. And that is the Valentine's style kit. So those are the 3 kits. You get a lot in each one for your money. Now I have one more to show you, which is a Lucky Dip kit, and I shall grab that now and show you. This is my Lucky Dip kit here. So you get the sticker sheet, which is by Echo Park, Just Be You. Loads and loads of stickers on there. I also got this Cartabella chipboard accent stickers, which are Christmassy ones. I got a single-sided sticker sheet by Dear Lizzie. I got a little stamp, a wooden one, a little crocheted shape, some wooden pieces, a little washi there, 2 metal pieces there, and some wooden keys for altering. I also got this ink, Versacolour in Marigold, and this gorgeous Prima stamp. Prima Princesses, and this one's Sydney. So that was my Lucky Dip order. Now, 1 or 2 of these small embellishments I may have got mixed up in put in the wrong kits, but you get the general idea of the amount of things and how nice the things are that you get in the kits, so that's the main thing. As well as those things, I did also get some bits and pieces for my card making mixed media, and also to make some presents. I've still got a few presents to make for Christmas, so I will show you those now. First off, I got this Craft planner. It's very, very pretty. I'll just get rid of the lid because it's a bit glary. It's got gorgeous stitching on it. It's very pretty. I'll just show you a little peek inside. There it is. It's lovely, and I will be making some handmade dividers, etc. and dashboard for that, and that will be given as a present, so that's not for me to keep, sadly. Oh no. So I'm going to put this to one side because I'm running out of room. I got some bits for making my nephew and niece and son their Christmas cards, and I wanted to go super cutesy, so I have got a few of the pieces already. I just wanted to get some more papers, and I also got an extra sticker sheet for a up and coming giveaway, but you have to stay tuned for that nearer Christmas. So I've got this 12 by 12 pack. It also comes with this and that stickers on the back. Like I say, these will be part of my giveaway, these cute little mini sticker icons. And I've got the mini pad. I'll give you a little look in there. Really cute designs, perfect if you really like this sort of kawaii style artwork. I like this for my planners, the cutesy characters, and it's also great for children's cards and all that jazz. I got this just one sheet, which is Rose Quartz Collection by Prima, just because I just thought it was so pretty. This paper, I got it for this side with the feathers. It's luscious. I got these penguin and presents paper packs, as well as the wooden shapes that go with it. Just got these because I like the vintage style of them. And they're just, again, just for my Christmas crafting in general. They're by Cartabella. Very Merry Christmas. And finally, my mixed media pieces. I got a few stencils. I have this scripty one, which is nice and large, by, I think it's Donna Downey Studios, and it's called Artist Script. So I have that. Echo Park 6x6, Go See Explore. Dream Vacation stencil, so that's a good one for holidays. Kaiser Craft 6x6 Botanical. I think it's called Botanical. Roses. That's that one. And finally, Darkroom Door, 4.5 by 6 inch. It's called Mesh. So those are the stencils I've got. Gold Heidi Shine because I've almost run out of my second bottle, so I need a third one. It does last a long time, but because I don't want to run out, I like to have another one in ready, because I'm a good 2/3 of the way through my other one, the second one. I also got this one, which is New Dilutions in the paler colour, and there was Rose Quartz one, so I wanted that to go, because I have got this one, but I think this might be a little bit more pigmented than the Distress ones, but I will soon find out when I experiment with that soon. So I've got those two inks. Finally, I have this, which is Patina Effect Paste, so I'm looking forward to trying this out on some altered art projects, so stay tuned for that. I'm sure I will film it. And that is everything that I got. So thanks for joining me. Bye.